back everyone. Hope you're enjoying this dance video and we've already learned Aankh Mare. We are at level 1. Now moving on to another song. This is by popular demand and I tell you this dance comes from North India. As you can see my attire, I'm wearing a long top like a kurta. Could be any material and then I'm wearing some leggings with it, and the best part is this dupatta or a long stole which comes in different colors and different materials, and it's celebrated all over India. So I'm wearing this dupatta. There are various ways of wearing it, but when you wear this attire you can say that I am going to present a dance and we are all going to do it together from northern part of India, from Punjab, which comes from Punjab. The state's name is Punjab, and it comes that because it has 5 rivers. Punch means 5, Jab, and then it comes. So basically it is a land where a lot of agriculture happens in India because the land is so fertile, and so everybody celebrates a lot. This song is called Oh Ho Ishq Tera Tadpaave, meaning I am so in love with you that sometimes love hurts me, right? When we love our parents and when we miss them, or our friends or siblings, that's when we really think, oh my god, I'm missing them. So I'm expressing that love through this dance. It's a different form of dance. You will see the chest is expanded, the hands are out most times, and the function is that I'm going to pull my hands towards my body. Now my hands are not straight, they're not too close, they're right at a little more than shoulder width apart, and when I pull them from the shoulder and from the elbows, not too much, a little bit. There's the masculinity, but there's a softness to this dance form which is called Bhangra. So I'm going to teach you few steps of Bhangra. My favorite form, you will see it being expressed on my face. We'll talk about expressions also in the end. Follow along and have fun. The first step, there's a lot of music in the beginning and it's important to groove to the music. So the first one goes, remember when we learned the shimmy and we went this? Now we are going to extend our hands out and do the same motion and bring our feet shoulder width apart, bend the knees. You know Miss Serena has to say that. And we go down to up and up to down. I am rotating, I'm taking my hands down to up. My hands are in a L position. I curve them a little to form a C. My fingers are not far, they're together. And then I'm doing this movement. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's your first step, 8 beats. The second step goes by, I'm going to pull my hands right down, right up, left up. You could turn them also while changing the steps. How? 1, 2, 3. I make a small half circle with them, right? So what am I doing? Again, bending the knees, which is common in all forms of dancing, be it from India, be it hip-hop, be it contemporary, be it any form of dancing. You will see these principles of being used to you. And I go 1, 2, bend the knee, 2, pull the hands, 3, go up. Now my left foot is on the toe, my right hand goes, and now my right hand is on the toe. I'm on the opposite side and I go. So do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now you will see my head rolls in a yes. That's like expressing joy. Imagine you have gotten the best of grades, or you're having your favorite ice cream and you go, I got this, right? So your hand automatically starts nodding, and this is an expression also which is used in this form of Bhangra dance. So I did the first step as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The second one went 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the third one, since I mentioned there is a lot of music, it goes, I start on the right side, 1, 2, 3, 4 is a clap on the left. Then I again start on the left. I am going to pull my hands They are at my shoulder level, not down, not up. I go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, what happens to my feet? I go 1, 2, 3. My right leg raises up along with the hands on this side. Then I go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Right leg raises up. 1, 2, 3. On the 4, my hands go towards the right side. The left leg raises up, opposite. So, recapping the steps, we are going to do them on the music in just a moment. I go 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring them down. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull something down and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Change. Take 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you ready to try this on the music? Let's go. Okay, so now the lyrics start. And how do the lyrics go? तारे गिन गिन याद च तेरी मैं ता जागा राता नु रोक ना पावा अखियां विचों गम दियां बरसाता नु. What does it mean? It's the language Punjabi and it really goes तारे गिन गिन meaning I'm counting stars at night, and रोक ना पावा I can't stop tears from my eyes, I'm missing you so much. What are the steps? Really simple steps, and I go Tare gin gin. I've bent my knee and I go 1. I'm going to do the rolls. 1, 2, 3, and I go Ratanu. So I go Tare gin gin yaad ch teri main ta jaga Ratanu. I bent my right knee, left knee, 3 times right knee, and on the left I drag my foot in, left one. I stand and I point towards the sky. So I go bend my knee, I go rolls on the right, rolls on the left, rolls on the right, and I point up. Then it goes rok na pawa akhiyan vichon, from the eyes I can't stop my tears. So I am going to do this movement on my feet now. Almost like the shuffle. The shuffle kicks the feet. Here I am going weight transfer step where I go toe to toe and I'm transferring the weight where I go right, left, right, left. Now, if I do this step without bending the knees, here's how it looks. As if you're ready to run a marathon, but with dance, bending the knees. So you get that wave and you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I go, Rok na pawa akhiyan vichon. I am going to do this movement on my eyes. You know, a motion when tears fall. So I go, Rok na pawa akhiyan vichon gam diyan barsata nu. So how did I go? Tare gin gin yaad ch teri main ta jaga rata nu rok na pawa akhiyan vichon gam diyan barsata nu. Right? And then the next step which follows is oh ho ho ho, oh ho ho ho. The music, and is singing along with it, the singer Sukhbir. I am going to go and do this movement now. This is a very typical Bhangra step. I go 1, 2, 3, 4. I took my hands on the right side. I have my hands. Now there's a motion of the wrist which follows almost like the reverse step. This is what I'm doing this way. So I went 1, 2, reverse step follows. Then just the hand. I bring a movement on the wrist and the hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. What happens to the feet? On the foot, I am doing 1, 2, 3, 4. I took my right leg, I turned it a little bit outward, and I'm going to hop. I'm going to tap, but I'm going to hop on the left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So both the feet are involved and I am doing 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. The other foot is also on the toe and it's making a hop. 1, 2. So it's like a spring. The other foot becomes like a spring to lift you up. But you tap. It looks like you're hopping. But you're hopping on the left foot and tapping on the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you see that? My leg again, take it as high as possible. 1. If you take it here, it's okay. But that, the joy of dancing and that little bit of enthusiasm that comes and your body shows it too and it reflects in your face also. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it with the hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, recapping these steps. How did we go? We went Tare gin gin yaad ch teri, Mehta jaga rata nu. Then I went Rok na pawa akhiyan vichon gum diya barsata nu. Hopping. Oh ho ho ho, oh ho ho ho. Let's try it on the music. The next set of steps which follow is the signature step of this dance, which goes oh ho 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 ho, ishq tera tadpaave, meaning your love is painful. I finished here oh ho ho ho, and now I'm going to do ishq tera tadpaave. Again a signature bhangra step. The music goes way too long, so I'm going to teach you 2 steps and 3 hand steps in it. Have fun. So the first step goes, it is similar to this step. I am going to do, watch, I'm going to 1, 2, 3, 4. Very similar, I just roll back by my knee. How am I going? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I just did, I did the same step. I just rolled back my knee and then brought it down. This is one step, adding one layer to this goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you are not comfortable or this looks too hard, there's always the easy version where you go 1, 2, which we learned in the oh ho 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 step. So how do my hands go? Ishq tera tadpaave. I'm going to push from my hand my inner thigh out, bring it down. Push my inner thigh, bring it down. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, adding one more layer to it, I will go and do hands. I bring my hands, loose fists in front, right here in front of my chest. Elbows are out and I push my elbow in a circular motion. It is as if my elbow and my knee are connected with an imaginary string and I go 1, 2. Elbow is pointing towards the sky and making a circle. The hand remains in place. It doesn't go out. It doesn't move. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the step? I go 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up and up. Keep going. Down, down, up, up. Did you see? The motion of the foot continues. If I didn't want to roll my knees for some reason, I simply would go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you notice I did not roll my body? I simply went and I continue this movement. The step can look equally good. The second step which follows through is I take my hands and I go boom. I open them, full hands out with a lot of energy like you're scaring somebody. Boo. And I'm going to do it on the right. Left, I'm going to do it down. I take my hands, I fold them at the elbows and I go 1 and 2. 1 and 2, up and down. Now this has a lot of permutations. This step is again a typical Bhangra step. I can take one hand up, one hand down, both hands down, both hands up, and so on and so forth. I can do it forward, I can do it diagonally, I can do it on the right. This is a folk dance step. Folk dance essentially can be done in any which way. There are not many rules till you follow the style and you follow the beat. It is for folk. So common folk who can come together and be in sync. So really this step goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what did I do on the foot? I took my foot and I almost kicked it like you would kick a football. You went 1, or a soccer ball, 2. 1. From the front part of the foot I kicked 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, hop, 4. So I went kick, hop, kick, hop. I hop on the same foot. I go right kick, right hop, left kick, right hop. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick, hop, 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 kick, hop. That's how the step goes. Revising the step, I am going to go Ishq Tera Tadpaave. I am going to do Ishq Tera Tadpaave. Ishq Tera Tadpaave. The second step goes kick, hop, 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 kick, hop. That's how we do it. Let's try it out on the music. Here we are at the end of this song tutorial. The last step is again music. How do we do it? This is an interesting step. I think you will enjoy. You've done very well so far. Let's go. And I take my hand. I am going to do this movement. My foot goes right, left, left, right, right, left, left. Now you will notice I am not putting my foot. This is how you start dance parties. But for learning dance, you go and you punch your foot and you go 1, 2, 3. Put in energy while placing the foot, and then you take the left foot, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right. My hands go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What did I do? I took my hands and the right goes forward, left backs from the shoulder. I push. This is my movement. I go front and back. I go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you all ready to complete this whole song on the music once? Let's go.
तेरी मैं ता जागा रातां नूं रोक न पावां अखियां विचों गम दियां बरसातां नूं तारे गिन गिन याद च तेरी मैं ता जागा रातां नूं रोक न पावां अखियां विचों गम दियां बरसातां नूं ओ हो 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 हो
Sukhbir. Hope you all enjoyed learning this song. Talking about the expressions a little bit, it goes accentuate your expressions. You know, you've seen actors and actresses dance. Rest everybody is on this side as a side dancer, as a back dancer. What happens is they might dance better than the main actor, but it's really the expressions that count, how they connect. And in this time and age, when it's COVID times, we emote through the camera. Learn to romance the camera, as I would say. Love it. So, even if you can smile, bring a big smile, dance through your eyes, like, accentuate, making your eyes wide, smiling, enjoying. Once you dance from the heart than the head, I tell you the expression starts to come. So I hope you enjoyed these videos. Wait on for something even more fun.